Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over Shibonk. Ticker symbol is Sbonk. This token just got listed on CoinGecko just today. Right now it's up 27.8%, doing very well. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, Shibonk. Token price today is about 66.3 cents per token. Like I said, just got listed today on CoinGecko. It is up 27.8%. This token is on the Solana blockchain. So maybe about a week or so ago, maybe a week or two ago, a token named Bonk came out on the Solana blockchain, listed on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. It got listed on MEXC Global, Hotbit, a bunch of different central exchanges. It did very well. It is probably still doing very well. And so now we have Shibonk, which is, going in the same kind of direction, hoping they're going to do well with the same sort of name, right? Using the Bonk name, basically, and being on the Solana blockchain as well. So it is doing okay so far. It's up 27.8% right now. Their official webpage is shibonkcoin.com. They have a link tree also listed here on CoinGecko, along with their price chart, contract address, Twitter, Telegram, Discord, and Medium articles are all available on CoinGecko. So how do you get this token? This is a Solana token. So far it's only listed on a decentralized exchange called Raydium. Now for Solana tokens, I use a Coin98 wallet. Now you can also use a Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, a few other wallets. But if you don't have a good Solana wallet, you can use that Coin98 referral code that's down there in the description box if you like. And open a Coin98 wallet, fund your Coin98 wallet with Solana, go into the dApps, and then you would find Raydium. And then you would trade your Solana for the Sbonk token using the contract address that you can now find on CoinGecko. That's how you get this token now. I'm not sure if it has any central exchange listings yet. This is a very brand new token. So if you head over to their official webpage, they have a bunch of links over there. You can check out their Soul Scan on here. They have a Bonk paper, Bonk folio, buy Shibonk, that'll take you over to Raydium, and then their socials, Medium, Twitter, Discord, Telegram. According to their Soul Scan here, their current supply of this token is 419,995 tokens. They have 1,404 holders so far, 9 decimal places, and a market cap of $278,730.94. So what is this all about anyways? So it says, community in mind, meme at heart. Our vision, Shibonk plans to bring value and recognition to the often overlooked but highly influential world of internet memes. Memes have a long history of shaping popular culture and how we communicate online, but they have often been treated as lowbrow or ephemeral. I can't even say that word. Anyways, lowbrow. Let's skip over the hard word here. Shibonk aims to change this by creating a token that recognizes and rewards the creators and curators of high-quality memes, and by building a vibrant and engaged community of meme enthusiasts. By doing so, We hope to celebrate and elevate the art form of the meme and bring greater recognition and value to the world of the internet memes. So they have the Bonkonomics on here, which is like tokenomics. So it says, well, this is actually token allocation here. It says 10% goes to liquidity providers, 10% goes to the treasury, exchange listings, and community airdrops. So there's going to be airdrops, and it looks like there is going to be central exchanges coming in the future, or maybe more DEXs. 30% goes to initial liquidity, and 50% goes to liquidity farming and NFT collection holders. So you can see that there is some meme utility going on here in the form of airdrops, treasury, liquidity farming, and NFTs. So those are at least some utilities going on here. And they tell you when they come out each individually in the roadmap here. Starting with phase 1 is the launch of Shibonk on the Solana blockchain. Then they're going to announce their first meme contest. So you can get involved with contests. I'm sure that's on their Twitter there. Then they have announcement of the first airdrops. And then we got creation of Shibonk's first liquidity farm. They're going to have APR, starting APR of 700%, which is annual percentage rate. So that's like interest. So that's pretty high, 700%. And then it says add roadmap to website, which is there already. Phase 2, achieve listing on CoinGecko. So that's what they just got. So basically that's where they are in the roadmap. And then what's coming up next in the future? Announce further airdrops. And they're going to work with some OG Solana projects. Then they're going to get a CoinMarketCap listing. Then they're going to release their first NFT collection. And then they're going to have a NFT minting portal / dApp. And then they have phase 3. This is the last phase listed here. Listing on central exchanges. Create liquidity pool pairs with popular Solana tokens. They're going to have a Master of Memes contest, and then more central exchange listings. So they show you step-by-step how to buy this token in case you didn't understand what I said about using a decentralized wallet and Raydium. You can see step-by-step instructions on their webpage there. Now, I was looking at their Bonk paper earlier, and it doesn't really have any like extra information on here. It just kind of goes over token allocation a little bit more, but yeah, that's pretty much it for all the info on this token here. You can check out their socials, though, if you want to read Medium articles or check out their Twitter, Telegram, Discord, and get involved in the meme contests and things like that. Check out updates on their socials. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.